The entire premise of the video, we're catching a shark. Any size shark, just a shark. Never saltwater fished in my life, so we're gonna see how it goes. Let's get going. Where are we going? We're going to Wally World. We gotta get tackle, and then we're going to a tackle shop, I think.
So Xander's having problems at the moment.
Hey, you're not supposed to record this part. Wally World. We got it. 100-pound spider wire, blue camo combo. Hopefully the combo or the braid choice won't screw me over. Got the hooks. Now we shall go. Oh. Well, we're out here, bro. And got the stuff. Oh. Let's get rigged up. This stuff had time to thaw. It's all liquid now. The spider weight, that's what I'm calling it. It's on a sliding swivel. And
Can I go ahead and cast mine out?
no, you don't have any bait on it. And it's on a size, I believe, size 6 octopus hook or circle hook. She's on the same thing, but she has a 3/8 ounce weight. Shout out to Mr. Chamber for making these for me, and also making the rig. Oh hell yeah! A little bit of cut squid. I also don't know how to put this shit on. No, I kind of like hook anything like a Texas rig. Always shows work. Get her a little bit of a bigger piece. Just shh, don't tell her that. Drop it. Let's go get this out.
You see where it went?
I lost my second half of my rod, bro.
What? No, it can't. He got it. It's right there.
Look at my work shoes.
Oh, now you're good.
Good luck.
Oh, thank you.
Actually, what are you trying to catch?
Honestly, anything. Yeah, I've never saltwater fished before.
You might get either shark or snapper.
Snapper. Ah, okay. All right, bro. Thank you. You have a good night.
Hard heads or gaff tops.
Oh well. We got one. Bro. What do you have to say for yourself, man? You've been caught.
He can't say anything. He can't breathe.
I think he swallowed it, bro.
Yeah, he did.
Dude, that's a lot of weight.
Yep.
Hello, sir.
Do you want a fish?
Dude. He took that the wrong way, I guess.
I don't even know where he went.
Dude, he's gone. Hey, we try tomorrow.